There's been talk of the loss of the state tax deduction, and sort of seems like a big deal. Will the loss of the state tax deduction have a huge impact on taxpayers?
This is a tough one to make a call on, and I'll tell you why. First, the tax plan calls for the elimination of the alternative minimum tax. The alternative minimum tax for people that fall into that group, let's say, don't get the benefit of a state and local tax deduction. But because the calculation is so complicated, they don't even realize it. So the Trump tax plan is talking about getting rid of the alternative minimum tax. And that should help level the playing field. In addition, we're talking about doubling the standard deduction. If you're single, it'll move up to $12,000, and if you're filing married jointly, it'll go up to $24,000. So that is really going to help to take the bite out of this. However, what I think is important here is that these states, high tax states, New Jersey, New York, California, Connecticut, Massachusetts, these states are getting a wake-up call all of a sudden because now on a federal level, it's being highlighted how much they tax. We see people here in New Jersey, King, all the time relocating to Florida. Why? They don't have an income tax. So the New Jersey income tax is so punitive, it basically drives people out. Well, now, if there's a chance that you wouldn't get a tax deduction for it, which I think ultimately will be fixed in some way so our middle-class people are not going to be hurt by the loss of that deduction, but it's really highlighting the problems in these states, quite frankly, that are blue and really tax their people. So I think that'll get fixed, but for right now, that's going to be a big argument in Congress about the elimination of that deduction.